air cannot stop me.
Good morning, everyone! Long-lasting fragrance and soul blooming.
I survived the day.
Another good day. It's okay, he's not worth it in much more blooming because I use Flex new fragrance perfume. Blooming leaves long-lasting fragrance blooming and sweet boosts up your confidence and have a positive energy.
Do you still use this? Well, you're missing out. Try out Flex's new perfume Blooming Bliss, made with pure flowery scent and has a long-lasting fragrance and sweet. Try keeping up because millions are using it. Get the better perfume, Flex. Use Flex now to smell better.